Today we'll show you how to remove an old bypass closet door track system and replace it with SWISCO's 2-door sliding closet door track kit. This project requires a tape measure, a slotted and Phillips head screwdriver, a hacksaw like our 75-023, and a drill with a 1/8 inch drill bit. Remove the existing floor guide, then uninstall the upper track. To choose the new track size, measure the width of the closet opening. This closet door track kit is available in a variety of sizes. Mark your new track so that the length is at least 1/4 inch shorter than the opening, then cut off the excess with a fine-tooth hacksaw. Mark the mounting location at each end of the track so that it sits 7/8 of an inch from the inside of the top trim. Now line up the new track with these marks and use a pencil to mark the screw hole locations on both ends of the track. Drill 1/8 inch pilot holes before fastening the track with the provided screws. Remove the old wheel hangers from the rear closet door. The new rollers have a template hole that should be 1.5 inches away from the edge of the door. Use this location to mark the screw holes for the roller. Drill pilot holes, being careful not to go through the front of the door, and fasten the roller. Do not fully tighten the screws yet. Set the rear door onto the closet track, then repeat the process with the front door. You'll need to adjust your rollers so that the door sits flush with the frame of the closet. With the screws loosened, use a slotted screwdriver to tilt the door into the desired position. Now, fully tighten the screws. Measure the side reveal near the top of the door and mark the result near the bottom. Assemble the door guide according to the thickness of your closet doors. Slide the door guide into the position where the two doors overlap. Before drilling a pilot hole for the door guide, move the door to align with the mark you just made. Now you can drill holes and fasten the guide to the floor. For these parts and more, visit us at SWISCO.com.